Hello, hello, welcome back to Red a Turd Art. A quick one, who's hiding? A little cute cat, and who's hiding underneath here? A little ghosty. Now these are all origami patterns. We're going to take a look today at how to make the easy witch's hat. Come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. So this origami pattern is by somebody called Shingu. I will put his details down below and you can check out loads of other patterns, and it's really quick and easy. And I'm going to make an orange one, but we're going to make some black ones too. But I think the orange one will be a little bit easier to see whilst we're crafting. And look, we've got a little ghost joining us. And here we have a little cat joining us. Anyway, to begin with, you will need a triangle. So fold your rectangular piece of paper up. So this can be done with any rectangular paper, it doesn't matter about the size, but in my case it's A4, which means the triangle I'm cutting out is about 21 centimeters by 21. But it really is up to you. I think for the witch's hat, depending on how you're going to use it, the nice big size is great. Now keep this, because this is enough to make a little cat, especially if you're doing the black one. So when you're doing a black hat, make sure you keep that little part. So turn it. Open it up, bring this edge to meet the center, as neat as you can, and crease, and then repeat. Bring it into the center, as neat as you can, and crease. Time to fold this corner up. Close the window there so you don't hear that drill. Open, open, open. Bring this in and fold the flaps back down. There we go. And now comes the last little bit, super easy. You carefully roll up the bottom in about 1 centimeter pieces. So you roll it up. Done it I think 3 times. That way the edge looks like that. Now with origami, normally obviously you just leave it like that. However, I do like adding a little bit of tape to the back or a little bit of glue, but tape's quicker, and just securing it in place. It will sometimes bow out a little bit. It's to do with the folding, but there we go. And now you can decorate it. So if you're making an orange one like here, black pens are at this point really great, so you don't need to do any more cutting or sticking. But having said that, I do like to decorate my origami with more paper because I think it looks super neat and super cute. So I'm just going to add a black strip of paper across the top. And then you can use stickers, you can use pens, you can use more black paper to cut out some shapes, maybe some moons and stars. But I think it's a really cute way to just customize it whatever way you wish. Now we fold that down, trim those edges off. Oh, I think I cut a bit too much. Let's do that again. Da, da, da. That does happen sometimes, and that's okay. It's not a disaster. Just don't trim too much off. Maybe I'll do it from the front, then I can see better what I'm doing. There we go. And then there we go. Great, your witch's hat is finished. And now the really cute bit, right, here's the other one. Here's my second hat, look at that. Don't they look great together? And now, just for fun, you can play a little game of who's hiding. So look, who's hiding? Actually, let's put them in the screen so you can actually see them properly. So who's hiding? Peekaboo, a little ghost. Peekaboo, a little cat. So cute. If you want to know how to make the cat and the little ghost, just check in the iCards and you can find the easy patterns there. But yeah, that was it. Our simple witch's hat origami for Halloween. Take care. Bye.